Hi, hello viewers. Welcome to my channel. Easy B.Ed Infotech. B.Ed second year la Environmental Education Unit Wise Question Bank பார்க்கலாம் வாங்க. 1. Elaborate the need and significance of environmental education. 2. What are the causes and consequences of deforestation in India? 3. What is meant by field trips? Explain the types. 4th, briefly explain WWF. 5th, what would be your suggestion towards 21st century energy resources? 6th, write notes on Earth Summit. 7th, describe the role of National Green Tribunal towards environmental conservation. 8th, explain the role of teacher in environmental education. 9th, how are the environmental problems related to population growth? 10th, explain the various innovative methods of teaching environmental education. 11th, what do you mean by disaster management? Explain the steps involved in this disaster management. 12th, a seminar is organized by your college on endangered and endemic species of India. What would be the expected points of discussion? 13. Being a proud Indian citizen, what would be your individual role in preventing pollution? 14. What is discussion method? Explain the categories. 15. Global warming is a global warming. Justify the statement. 16. Eradicate the need of alternate energy sources. 17. Explain the concept of education for sustainable development. 18. State any 3 legislative measures for environmental protection. Explain the significance of each act. 19. Explain Doha Climate Change Conference 2012. 20. Impact of human activities on environment. 21. What is food resources? Important source of food. 22. What are the changes caused by agriculture and overgrazing? 23. Explain the non-renewable energy source. 24. Explain Brundtland Commission 1983. 25. Write a notes Kyoto Conference and Pact on Global Warming 1990.